Students, welcome to Class with Mathematics. Today we are going to solve worksheet number 2 of simplification of numerical expression. Right? Now, in worksheet number 1 did we already solved the expressions by using the DMAS formula. Now in this worksheet number 2 we have expression is there in terms of fraction number. Now in this expression minus and plus symbols are there, right? So firstly we will add the things. Fraction number 7 upon 8, here minus 3 upon 8, it is the minus term, so plus 5 upon 8 is the plus term, you will write 5 upon 8. Now minus 3 upon 8 you will write in the last. Now these are the fraction number, and how the fractions numbers are added. These are fraction numbers and these are like fraction, right? Your denominators are same, so that means LCM is 8. You will add the numerator only, 7 plus 5 minus 3 upon 8. Now you solve it. 12 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. After that we have subtraction is there. How the like fractions are subtracted? You will subtract numerator 12 minus 3 and denominator is 8. So your answer is 9 upon 8, or you can say 1 whole 1 upon 8. Now let us take another question. Here 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 10 plus 3 upon 5. Sorry, it's not plus, it's a divide by 3 upon 5. Now according to DMAS, which one you will solve first? Here we have plus sign is there, here division sign is there, so you will solve this fraction first. 3 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. So if you wish to solve in the rough column, you can solve it in the rough column. You write in the rough column 3 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 5. Now this type of question we already solved in the chapter of fraction number, where the fraction numbers are divided. Now how we can divide the fraction number? 3 upon 10 is a division, so reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3, right? Reciprocal it. Now stuck of it, 3 से 3 कट जाएगा, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are the 10. You have, so you got 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 1, you will get 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 plus, when you solve this one you got 1 upon 2, so you write 1 upon 2. After that these are like fractions. How they are added? Okay, you will add numerator 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Now 2 upon 2, your answer is 1. Now let us take another example. We have another questions are there. I have question is there, that is 2 whole 1 upon 2 plus 3 whole 1 upon 8 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 plus 1 whole 1 by 4. Now in this expression we have plus sign is there, division sign is there, again plus sign is there. So which one you will solve first? According to DMAS, division. Okay, you will solve this one first. Now it is firstly it is a mixed number, so convert them into improper fraction first. 2 whole 1 by 2, it is 5 upon 2 plus 8 3 are the 24 plus 1, 25 upon 8 divide by 5 upon 4 plus 4 1 are the 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. Now division you will solve first, underline it. If you wish to like to solve in rough column, you can solve it in rough column. Okay, draw the margin line. Now 25 upon 8 divided by 5 upon 4. Now division is there, so reciprocal it. 25 upon 8 multiply by 4 upon 5. Suck off it. 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are the 25, 4 1 are the 4, 4 2 are the 8. So what is left? 5 multiply 1, 5 multiply 1, and the denominator 2 multiply 1. So your answer is 5 upon 2. So you will write here 5 upon 2 plus, when you solve this one you got 5 upon 2, so you will write 5 upon 2, then 5 upon 4. Now these are unlike fraction, right? 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 4, 2, 4, sorry. Now you have to add all these three because plus sign is there. So how we can add the unlike fraction? By taking the LCM. So we already did this one. Now what is the LCM of 2, 2 and 4? The LCM of 2, 2 and 4 is 4. Now how you can find LCM? 2, 2 and 4 LCM. You divide by 2, then 1, 1, then 2, again 2, 1, 1, 1. In the last we have 1, 1 left. So LCM is 4. So you can write LCM is 4 here. Now numerator 5 multiply. Now recite the table of 2 is the table of 2. When this 4 LCM will come? If you recite this table of 2, 2 2 are the 4. If you multiply this 2 by 2, okay, you will get this LCM 4. That means you have to multiply the numerator by 2. Okay, put in the bracket. Then again next one is 5e numerator, multiply it. Now recite the table of this 2. When in the table of this 2, when the 4 will come? By 2. So you will write by 2. Okay, then plus here numerator is 5, multiply. Now recite the table of 4. In the table of 4, when this 4 will come? When you multiply by 1. 4 1 are the 4, so you will multiply this numerator by 1. You will multiply it by 1. Okay, so what you get now? 5 2 are the 10 plus 5 2 are the 10 plus 5 1 are the 5 upon 4. So add this one. 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25 upon 4. Or your answer is mixed number 6 whole 1 by 4. That is your answer. So well students, in this way you can solve worksheet number 2, and we have to solve only D, E, F parts are there. Now you have to solve it. I hope you understood the method. Now you can solve the rest part of the worksheet number 2, question number 1. Thank you and have a nice day.